Hello, I'm Shaunna. I'm passionate about pages, and one of the things I love, love using are workshop kits. In this video, I'm going to go through the latest update to the last chance product list on my website. So if you want to see that, just go to passionateaboutpages.com and click on Shop with Me. And Deals is where you'll find last chance. These products are either they're all retiring, so they're products that there is no plan to restock them, so they are all available while stocks last. Some are at their retail price. It's just letting you know that they're not going to stay in the lineup forever, and some have a small discount, and then others are heavily discounted, like this one, for instance. So over the next 8 days, I'm going to share the 8 kits that are currently in the last chance products. I'm filming all 8 on the 6th of August, so if you're watching this after that, there's no guarantee they'll still be there. In each kit, I make 5 double page layouts. 3 are based on the instructions that come with the kit. Sometimes I rearrange elements, sometimes I add photos, sometimes I completely change it, but mostly I stick with what the basic plan was. And then from the leftovers in the kit, I take those and I make 2 extra layouts. So let's start with Weekend Adventures. This retailed for $65 Australian and is currently listed at $39 Australian. Why wouldn't you grab it? Hold on, let me just pull this out so that you can see the differences. Alrighty, so one of my pet peeves is covering my photos with a whole lot of embellishments, because my husband takes amazing photos and I try to take really good photos, and I don't like to do that. So sometimes I'll shift elements about. So this one stuck pretty closely. There is room for another photo there if I feel like I need it. Over here, I added in some extra one extra photo, a larger photo here, and took out again some of the embellishing. This next one, I've got them out of order. This is number 3. I'm matchy. I don't do single pages, and I don't love it when I open my books and see 2 highly contrasting pages. That's not to say you won't do that. It's just these are my albums. My photos will go on here, and so I adapt them to my style. So instead of using that large triangle there, I kept that paper for another project, and I mirror imaged the brickwork pattern. Put in more photo spaces here and here, and just shifted things around a little bit. Then for the next one, I really did like it a lot, but I like to read from left to right, and I felt like read, stop, start reading again. So I just switched over where the elements were on the page and made room for a couple more layouts, a couple more photos. And then again, this one took out some of the elements that were over the photos. Then we came to the leftovers, and this was lots of fun. I love making pages from leftovers. It's when because the workshop kits come with pre-printed die cuts, and there's no need for stamping or cutting your own embellishments and things like that. But the extra layouts give me some scope for creativity. So I had a bit of fun with a really old stamp set that I own of cows. I pulled in some of those elements that I'd taken off other pages and used a punch for this one. Added a little bit of bling as well. And in these ones, that'll be a flip-flap, that one. In these ones, I often have odd size photos or much smaller photos, whereas the workshop kits try to stick to fairly standard size photos. This one here, I've just realised I printed it on my selfie, and I had always meant to reprint it as a 5x7. Note to self, need to go back and do that. And then this one was another one that I used the leftovers for. Lots of scope there, another 5x7 here, and a few more of the leftover elements. So if this kind of class interests you, I teach this as an in-person class where you choose your own adventure. You decide which workshop kit you're going to do, and you come to my home here in Perth, Western Australia, to do it. If you don't live in Perth, but you would be interested in having information about how I've changed things, photos of my finished pages, and the instructions for the 2 extra pages, comment online workshop underneath this video. If you're interested in details about upcoming classes in person, comment in-person workshop, and I will be sure to send you those details. If you love this, make sure you follow my page so that you can see some more. Follow my YouTube channel, and then just tell me in the comments which one's your favorite layout. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next Last Chance Workshop Kit.